My name is Maria Grant. I'm a professor in the Department of Ophthalmology and Vision Science at the University of Alabama at Birmingham.
Hello, I'm Prasad, Senior Scientist in Dr. Grant's lab.
Our project was a collaboration between the University of Florida, Dr. Ziani, Dr. Vanderkut, and Dr. Sun and Dr. Lee, as well as a collaboration with Dr. Uday from the University of Alberta. We also collaborated with the Wright Laboratories, Justin Wright, and Regina Lamella. I'd like to thank them for their contribution to this project. Diabetes is a rapidly escalating global health problem, currently affecting nearly 600 million adults worldwide. Among its complications, diabetic retinopathy is the most common microvascular complication and the leading cause of blindness in working-age adults. Despite major advances in retinal-focused therapies, more than 40% of patients continue to experience progressive disease. These limitations led us to the investigation of the gut-retina axis as a systems-level driver of diabetic retinal pathology. Diabetes is also characterized by profound gut dysfunction, including dysbiosis, increased permeability, and impaired amino acid absorption. Tryptophan uptake occurs through both angiotensin II dependent and angiotensin II independent transport pathways. Disruption of these pathways in diabetes reduces beneficial tryptophan metabolites and amplifies intestinal and systemic inflammation. Using targeted tryptophan metabolomics, we found that the gut-derived metabolite indole-3 propionic acid, or IPA, is significantly reduced in diabetes. Importantly, IPA levels were further decreased in patients with diabetic retinopathy. IPA is a potent regulator of immune quiescence and epithelial barrier stability, suggesting a mechanistic link between microbial metabolism and retinal disease. We next examined biomarkers of intestinal barrier dysfunction. In diabetes, elevated circulating fatty acid binding protein 2, peptidoglycan, and LPB reflect enterocyte injury, microbial translocation, and chronic endotoxemia. These findings identify gut barrier breakdown as a clinically relevant contributor to systemic inflammation in diabetic individuals. Together, these observations reveal a critical knowledge gap: how gut-derived metabolites influence retinal pathology. We hypothesized that restoring gut tryptophan signaling through the microbial metabolite IPA could protect against diabetic retinopathy by preserving barrier integrity and suppressing inflammation. To test whether gut metabolites reach the retina, we performed spatial metabolomics using MALDI-2 mass spectrometry imaging at the University of Florida. Strikingly, we detected IPA within the retinal pigment epithelium, demonstrating direct retinal exposure to a bacterial metabolite. This identifies systemic metabolite trafficking from the gut to the blood and to the retina, which was previously unrecognized.
To identify the mechanism by which IPA impacts the retina, we examined the pregnein X receptor, or PXR, a nuclear receptor that regulates inflammation and barrier function. IPA binds to PXR to regulate signaling. Similar to IPA, PXR expression was also markedly reduced in diabetic retinopathy, suggesting it is an important modulator. Under diabetic mimicking conditions, high glucose and inflammation suppress PXR expression in retinal, epithelial, and endothelial cells. And activation of ACE2, delivery of a tryptophan dipeptide, or treatment with IPA restore PXR expression across retinal barrier cell types. This demonstrates therapeutic recovery of this pathway. Earlier, we showed that diabetes causes disruption of epithelial barriers. IPA treatment restores epithelial junctional integrity as observed by increased P120 creatinine and ZO1 expression. Similar to epithelial barriers, endothelial barriers were also disrupted in diabetes. IPA treatment protects endothelial barrier integrity by increasing VE creatinine expression and decreasing PV1 expression. These are the marker of endothelial damage. These findings shows that IPA directly reinforces gut barrier stability in diabetes.
In conclusion, we identify indole-3 propionic acid as a critical mechanistic link between gut dysfunction and diabetic retinopathy. IPA loss drives barrier failure, inflammation, and retinal PXR suppression, while restoration of this pathway confers protection. These findings support IPA as both a biomarker and a novel gut-targeted therapeutic strategy for diabetic eye disease. We are grateful to the editors and staff at Gut for the opportunity to present this video abstract. Thank you.